Bangkok is the capital city of Thailand. It's the only cosmopolitan city in a country of small towns and villages, cultural and commercial center. Bangkok is a place to wander and eat. It's a city that reveals itself to people who get away from the temples, touts and tourists and get into the local way of life. Bangkok is famous for nightlife scene and carefree atmosphere. So if you are planning for Bangkok trip, then you have come to the right place. Today in this video, I will guide you with 5 night 6 days tour plan for Bangkok and Pattaya with flight details, hotel details, visa procedure, food cost, day-wise tour plan and entire cost breakup for the tour. So don't skip any part and watch till end. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to get more videos like this. To travel Bangkok, you have to reach Suvarnabhumi Airport, also known as Bangkok International Airport. You can avail flight from any major city of India. It will take 5 hours to reach Bangkok. Flight fare ranges between 10,000 to 12,000 for both sides. Indian citizens don't require visa but a visa on arrival. Few documents required for the visa: valid passport, return flight ticket, proof of accommodation and passport size photograph. You have to pay 4,000 rupees and receive a stamp at the service counter of immigration checkpoint. Baht is the official currency of Thailand, is divided into 100 satang. You can get the currency exchange done at airport or in India. 1 THB is equal to 2.26942 INR. Average cost of Thai meal is 90 to 150 baht. Seafood costs more. Indian restaurant is also costly. On an average, you have to spend 600 to 700 rupees per day per person. Now coming to the most important point, which is day-wise tour plan. Day 1. After arriving at Bangkok airport, get transferred to your hotel, get fresh quickly and start for Bangkok city tour. You can visit all the places of Bangkok by metro, bus and taxi. No need to reserve a cab. First visit the Grand Palace. It's a royal palace. It's a beautiful building and the craftsmanship and the architecture is amazing. Go there as early as possible to avoid crowds. After that, visit Wat Pho and the famous reclining Buddha. The complex of Wat Pho fills a city block, so it will not take lot time to cover the site. Next, move towards Wat Arun and get stunning view of the city from the top of the temple. The temple is locally known as Wat Chang. It's just opposite of Wat Pho, so very easy to go. Then take a boat ride of Chao Phraya River, a relaxing experience which you shouldn't miss. Alive with traditional long-tail boats, passenger ferries and cargo boats, the river is lifeblood of the city. Then start with the beautiful temples of Bangkok. First visit Wat Saket. The Golden Mount is 100-meter high mound-like structure containing Buddhist relics, one of the beautiful temple of the city. Then visit Wat Benchamabofet temple built by white marble, consists Thai and European architecture. Here you can see 53 Buddha images representing mudra. Then by afternoon visit the Khao San Road. It's a must-visit place of Bangkok. Here you will find endless bars, shops, street food, international restaurants. Then back to hotel and overnight stay at Bangkok. This is the entry fee of the place of day 1. Day 2. On day 2, move to Pattaya via bus. Pattaya is a city of Thailand known for its beaches. Pattaya is 2 hours far from Bangkok. You can try water sports here. Another major draw is the wide selection of restaurants serving Thai seafood. On arrival at Pattaya, check into your hotel. After that, visit the beautiful Coral Island with crystal clear water, plentiful coral reefs and beautiful stretches of fine sand. It's 7.5 km from Pattaya city. Then visit Sanctuary of Truth. It's a gigantic wooden construction rising 105 meters into the sky and carved entirely out of teak wood. Then go to Nongnuch Tropical Garden. It's a theme park with daily cultural shows, orchid nursery, tropical palm garden. Then go to Pattaya Floating Market. Good place with 114 shops and water vendors selling authentic food and lot of souvenirs and all. Then visit Art in Paradise Pattaya. It's a fun and fresh take on an art gallery. You can see 100 art pieces covering illusion, wild animal, nature and past civilization. Then visit Underwater World Pattaya. Here you can see 5000 types of fish. You can also interact and touch sea creatures at the touch pool zone. By evening you can go to see the Tiffany show. It's a cabbage show which attracts tourists all over the world. Then back to hotel and overnight stay at Pattaya. Entry fee for day 2 places mentioned in the screen. Day 3. Start with the rest of the places of Pattaya. First visit the Millionaire Stone Park featuring unusual rock formation coupled with exciting animal shows. Then go to Khao Chichan Mountain. Here the Buddha image is 130 meter. It's a religious place, so dress up appropriately. Then visit Pattaya Beach. It's a center of marine activities for those who come to rest. It's a 3-kilometer long beach. The northern part of the beach is the best option. Then visit Mini Siam. It's a park divided into 2 parts, Mini Siam and Mini Europe. It looks like a true global village. Then visit Koh Phai Island. It's a bit far from the city, also known as Bamboo Island. Then go to Wat Yangsang Ram, a temple in huge area known for its modern design. Then visit Teddy Bear Museum. It's Dorchester Family Museum with people-sized bears and teddy bears. Then go to Magical Ice of Siam. It's a winter theme park. Temperature here is -10 degrees centigrade with plenty of ice, ice bar, ice slide, etc. By afternoon, visit the walking street. Stay there till evening. It's the busiest party hotspot of Thailand with full of plaza, bar, a high-tech gateway. Then back to hotel and overnight stay at Pattaya. Entry fee for day 3 places are in the screen. Day 4. Come back to Bangkok. Again check into your hotel and then go out for Safari World Tour. This consists 2 parks, Marine Park and Safari Park. It's a whole day tour. Delve into the animal kingdom where giraffe, zebra, tiger reside. It's a 50-minute drive through 8 km. Marine Park is the main park where various animal displays from all over the world. Entry fee for this park is 1000 baht. Once done with it, go to explore Chinatown. Chinatown in Bangkok is a culinary feast. You may go shopping here and buy lots of souvenirs. You will also find lot of vendors selling food. Then visit the malls of Bangkok. Malls of Bangkok are more than malls. You can visit Terminal 21, MBK Center, Siam Paragon, Emporium, Central World, Panty Plaza and lot more. Then back to hotel and overnight stay at Bangkok. Day 5. Visit the rest of the places of Bangkok. Visit the Jim Thompson House. It's a house of an American spy. The home is made in traditional Thai style, decorating it with the beautiful teakwood and garden. Then visit Lumpini Park, is Central Park of Bangkok, good place to spend time for relaxing. Then visit Bangkok Art and Culture Center, which hosts art, music, theatre, film design and cultural events. Then visit Museum of Siam, where you can see a variety of media to explore the origin of Thai culture. Then go to Wat Traimi Tuithairam Vora Vihan, known for its 5.5 ton statue of a seated Buddha located in Chinatown. Then visit Wat Suthat. It's a Buddhist temple with iconic swing. Then you can go to Sky Bar of Bangkok by the evening. It's a rooftop bar. It's a popular place of Bangkok. Then you can visit the nearby Bangkok markets and try Thai foods. I have mentioned few good Indian and Thai restaurants in the description box. Entry fee for places of day 5 are in the screen. Day 6. Back to India from Bangkok. This is how your entire trip will end here. Bangkok has a tropical climate, making it a popular year-round destination. November to March is the best and peak season for tourists. You will get a lot of budget hotel and resort in the Bangkok city and Pattaya, which ranges between 2000 to 5000 rupees. I have mentioned few good hotel and resort below in the description box. Some extra tips for Bangkok travelers. Bangkok is a conservative city. You should dress up to cover shoulders and knees, especially at the time of entering the temples. If you don't wear so, you have to rent clothes to enter the temples. Don't stay in all-inclusive hotel, go out for food. Don't miss Thai spa and massage. Alcohol sales is restricted between 11 am to 2 pm and 5 pm to midnight. So stick to this time. If you are a woman, don't go close to monk as per Thai ritual. Be extra careful of theft on overnight buses. Say no to plastic bags and don't keep in your bag. So now this is the cost breakup for the entire tour plan. Hope this video is informative for you guys. We'll come back soon with next video. Stay safe, wear mask.